In today's lesson, we're going to work on a word problem that involves decimals. So if we have a problem like this that says Natasha has to ride her bike to school, she has to ride 1.2 kilometers in total for each school day. How far does she bike over 5 school days? So first thing to do is not to panic and just to try to figure out what the words are saying to us. So she's going to ride her bike for 5 days total, and we need to figure out how many kilometers that is. Well, she rides her bike 1.2 kilometers in one day, so we just need to find out how much that is for 5 days. So multiply the distance per day with the number of days, and that'll give you the answer. So here we have 1.2 times 5. So step 2, multiply as if these were whole numbers. You can ignore the decimal for now, okay? So we multiply 5 times 2, which is 10. So we put the 0 here and we carry the 1, okay? Then we multiply 5 times 1 and add the 1 that was carried previously. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So now we have to worry about the decimal. Count the number of decimals in each of the factors. And the factors are just the numbers in the problem. Okay, so the two factors are 1.2 and 5. So how many decimals are there in these two numbers? There's only one decimal, this one, okay? There's only one number after the decimal. There is one decimal place in 1.2, okay? So that means we move the decimal point here left in the answer, right? So every whole number has a decimal at the end of it. So you take that decimal and you move it over left the number of times there are decimals in the two factors. So we said there's only one decimal, right? So we just move it left once. So you take this decimal, move it over, just like how the arrow is showing you. So that tells us now that 6 is the answer. Natasha will ride a total of 6 kilometers over 5 school days. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You can rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look in the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this lesson, this exact lesson, and it'll take you right to the video. So you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.